Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day as always. And in today's video, I have a really quick, really dope, and a really useful tutorial for you guys. And it is how you can get dark mode enabled on your Facebook Messenger app. And the reason why I said this was a quick tutorial was because it should take you about 20 seconds, maybe even less. And the reason why I said useful was because it's dark mode, it's better for your eyes, especially at night. And the reason why I said it's dope is because, come on guys, dark mode is pretty cool. I love to have an all system-wide dark mode on my device, and I just enjoy that for some reason. I don't know why, it's just how I rock pretty much. So let's begin without wasting any time. So start the stopwatch about now. So load up your Messenger app, and you already have the stock version. Just go into a conversation with anyone and go into emojis and just find the crescent emoji. You might have to search up yellow crescent, but just send the exact emoji that I'm sending. Then you should get a bunch of moons pretty much falling down. Then go back into your profile on the top left, and in your settings pretty much you should have a dark mode toggle. Go ahead and press that, and you just enabled dark mode on your Facebook Messenger. This is app wide, so everywhere on the app it is dark. There's no place that it doesn't work. So there you go. Took about this many seconds to complete it, so you guys can go ahead and do it right now pretty much. But before you guys exit out of this video, I do ask you guys kindly to drop a like, to comment on this video, and to share this video, because I feel like this is a viral worthy video. So please do share this with your friends and all that stuff. And also, if you guys want to see more cool videos like this, be sure to subscribe. It's a red button right under this video, and also turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I release future content. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. This is Tech Alpha signing out with today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.